Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do some really cute little snowmen. First we start off with a magic ring. Now on a magic ring I always like to chain 4 and then insert and do my slip stitch. And then from here begin the stitches. Chain 1 and you'll do 10 single crochet in the ring. Now I'm going to tighten it by pulling the other tail. Now we will chain 1 and 2 single crochets in each of the stitches around. Now I'm going to join with a slip stitch to the first one. Round 3, I'm going to chain 1, I'm going to 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 in each after, so this will be, you do 2 here and then you do 1 in the next one, and this is like an increase. You go 2 in this one, now we're going to do the snowman head. There's my magic circle, and now I'm going to do chain 1 and 10 single crochets in the center of this circle. I'm going to join with a slip stitch to the first stitch, and I'm going to pull this back piece tight. Now round 2, you're going to do 2 single crochet in each stitch around. So the first thing we do is we chain 1. Now we're going to do 2 in each around. Alright, that's 20. Now I'm going to join with a slip stitch to the first one and finish off. Now I'm going to do the hat for the snowman, and I've got some nice little sparkly black yarn for that. So what we're going to do is chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to single crochet in the second chain from hook, which now becomes this one. So that's 1, 2, and that's the last one, 6. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn. Now we're going to single crochet in each stitch across. I'm going to chain 1 and turn. Now this is row 3, and it says slip stitch in the first stitch, and single crochet in the next 4. I'm going to chain 1 and turn. And now we're going to single crochet across. Now we're going to do the scarf for the snowman. And what we do is chain 24. (22), 23, and 24. Now we're going to single crochet in the second chain from hook and in each chain across. So the second chain, here's the first one, there's the second one. We're going to single crochet across. Now we're going to finish this off, trim it, tighten the ends. Now we're going to go over how to assemble all of these pieces. I pull it real tight and then I insert my needle . Just make sure it goes through a thick spot where it really anchors in. Pull it tight and I go in the direction that the yarn is already going in. I usually just push it right between my fingers and through the middle. I feel tight enough. I'm just going to put it through the top loop and through the bottom loop on that, just a slight overlap. Now, since the thread is at the top corner of the hat and we need it at the bottom, I'm just going to put the needle straight through the bottom, or sorry, straight through the middle till I reach that bottom. just wrap this around. And now you can leave it like this, or you can add some eyes and a carrot nose. Thanks for all your support. If you like this video, please subscribe.